Hello, and today we're going to be talking about pH levels. And when you increase your pH, you decrease your chance of your risk of heart disease and pretty much every chronic disease and health issue out there, because you're reducing the inflammation in your body. And 97% of all disease starts with inflammation. So we're going to talk about, I'm going to give you 3 foods that will help you increase your pH level. But before I give you those 3 foods, I want to give you really what causes pH levels to decrease, okay? And really there's 2 factors. Number 1, our age. As we age, it just naturally decreases, okay? That we can't control. I'm older now than I was when I first started this video. We can't control that. What we can control is the second factor, and that's just how to slow that aging train down. So the main thing that impacts this, of course, is your diet. And so what this study showed was that an acid forming diet can really induce a low grade metabolic level of acidosis. Now, you can Google acidosis, but it's not good, okay? So what, now, if you, long-term is what we're talking about here. If you have a diet of a piece of pizza every now and then, or, you know, some of these foods that will increase inflammation, that's not what I'm talking about. We can all splurge occasionally, but what is a problem is if you have that diet all the time, okay? That's a big problem. I'm talking about, you know, those of you that really are in that state, in that acidosis state all the time. And honestly, that's a large percentage of the American population. So I could be talking to you because you're constantly putting in acidic producing foods. So this is going to cause some really, really serious health problems. This can cause bone density issues, muscle mass, decrease of muscle mass, your immune system. It's going to decrease or compromise your immune system, cancer, tumors, toxicity build up. I already mentioned heart disease, congestive heart failure. I mean, just tons and tons of those, okay? So let's talk about the 3 foods that you can implement every single day in some way and increase that acidity to decrease your inflammation and decrease the risk of these major diseases, and and make sure that your body is not in that acidosis state. Number 1 food is greens. You know, there's so many simple ways to get your greens in. I choose to drink mine first thing in the morning, and then if I get some more in during the day, that's even better. But that way, if I have one of those days that I just don't, and we all have those days, I've made sure that I at least get started with those greens. Now, every time you have a meal, just ask yourself, where are my greens coming from? Get in the habit of start ordering a little side salad, or you know, a great way, if you're not drinking them, is make a smoothie in the morning and put a little spinach, put a handful of spinach in it. I mean, since when did you have a bowl of spinach for breakfast and not even be able to taste it? I guarantee you can't even taste it in there. So greens is number 1. Number 2 are fruits. Now you want to be careful, and I'm not talking about high sugar fruits. I'm talking about berries, things that have fruits that have a lower glycemic index, green apples, you know, melon. Be careful with melon. If you do melon, it's a great food for this, but you want to be sure and eat melon earlier in the day. But berries and Granny Smith apples are awesome for this, are awesome fruit for this. And then the third one is seeds. The 2 best seeds for this are chia seeds and flax seeds. Again, you can drop those off in a smoothie, sprinkle them on a salad. So many great ways. You're going to be getting omega-3s, just a lot of benefits of those seeds. Those are my favorite for increasing your acidity. All right, hope you found value in this. Don't forget to like and share if you know of somebody else that needs to hear it.